الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وأتموا الحج والعمرة لله فإن أحصرتم فما استيسر من الحج ولا تحلقوا رؤوسكم حتى يبلغ الحج محله فمن كان منكم مريضا أو به أذى من رأسه ففدية من صيام أو صدقة أو نسك. Translation: and complete performance of Hajj or Umrah pilgrimage in service of Allah. But if you are prevented, then offer sacrifice of whatever animal is easily afforded, and shave not your heads until sacrificial animal has reached their place of slaughter. And if any of you is ill or has ailment of the head, he should pay a compensation of fasting 3 days, or give sadaqah by feeding 6 poor, or offer sacrifice. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving the commandments about Hajj. And the first commandment is that Muslims should perform Hajj, and it is obligatory on all Muslims. Whoever can travel to Mecca and have resources of travel and also able to feed his family must perform Hajj once in a lifetime, and it will be done during the days of Hajj. And the days of Hajj are 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 of the month of Dhul Hijjah. However, the Umrah can be done during the rest of the year. In Umrah, there are two farais. Number one is haram, number two is tawaf. And there are two wajib things. They are the sa'i of Safa Marwa and shaving the hair or cutting the hair of the head. And once they do the shaving or cutting of the hair of the head, they are out of ihram. Once in ihram, there are certain things that cannot be done, and they include using of any perfume, cutting of any hair, any body hair, or cutting the nails, or doing any hunting of the animals of land, or the any sexual encounter with the wives, or for one more is for males, they cannot use the stitched clothes, and covering of head or face by clothes for men, and covering the face with a cloth by women. So it is not allowed. However, if some woman wants to just hide their face by hanging some cloth in front of the face, that is allowed. So once the hair of the head are shaved, they are out of haram. However, if somebody is going to perform Hajj and he is stopped in the way by someone or by some factor, that person is called muhsir, and he is in ihram, so he has all those prohibitions. However, if it is not possible for him to complete his Hajj, he must sacrifice an animal in the haram, in the area of haram. And if he is not in the area of haram, he can assign someone who can do that sacrifice for him, and once the sacrifice is done, he can get out of the ihram. So after that, he should also shave his hair of the head, or cut his hair of the head. Now, if somebody uses the prohibited things during ihram, there are certain things that he has to do, like feeding the poor, or fasting, or doing a sacrifice. Oh Allah, give us understanding of Islam. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.